Hey guys, I wanted to do something using this window privacy film that I saw online. I ended up making these frames, and when it's sunny, it creates rainbows on my bed. First, I measured my windows. I cut 4 strips per window. I used simple shapes in Cricut Design Space. Then I added them to strips and turned them into a frame. I sliced it into pieces in order to fit the mat. At first I made pieces with corners, then realized strips would be easier to assemble. I placed the film on a Cricut mat so that it wouldn't move. I cut off the ends to make the pieces easier to align. Then I added the black vinyl design. If the alignment was a little off, I just cut off the extra film. This is how the pieces would connect. Then I removed the backing on the film. I sprayed clean windows with water and added the film. I used a card wrapped in a paper towel as my squeegee to remove the excess water under the film. My measurement was a little off, so I added a thin strip of film and connected the pieces with extra black vinyl. I also added strips of black vinyl around the edges, so that the design would be flush to the sides. And here's how it turned out.